Today we're discussing colored concrete driveway ideas, beyond gray, the key factors and what to consider. First, colored concrete driveway ideas, beyond gray, integral color, acid stain, or dye. Here's how to get a driveway that isn't boring gray. Next, can you color a concrete driveway? Yes. Colored concrete driveways use integral pigments, acid stains, or concrete dyes to create permanent color that won't peel or fade like paint. The most popular colors are warm earth tones, tan, brown, terracotta, that complement home exteriors without looking artificial. Regarding 1. Integral color, mixed in, pigment is added to the concrete at the plant, so color goes all the way through. Cons, limited to earth tones, color can vary between batches. On 2. Acid stain, chemical reaction, metallic salts react with concrete to create variegated, mottled color. Pros, unique marbled look, each slab is different. Furthermore, cons, unpredictable results, requires sealing. Best 4, existing concrete you want to transform. Moving to 3. Concrete dye, penetrating color. Cons, surface only, can fade in direct sun. Best 4, bold colors or when you need exact color matching. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.